Are you ready to kickstart your unforgettable student journey in the heart of London? Look no further than the incredible Cleveland Road UB8 student accommodation, where you'll find everything you need to make London feel like your second home. With a selection of ensuite apartments, each room boasts a plush bed, spacious wardrobe, a TV for those well-deserved breaks, ample storage space, and your very own private bathroom. With free Wi-Fi and convenient parking, you'll stay connected and worry-free. While the dedicated housekeeping team ensures your space remains pristine, the property is also equipped with CCTV cameras ensuring round-the-clock security throughout your stay. Speaking of location, you're just a 13-minute drive from Buxton University and a stone's throw away from Brunel University. For the adventurous souls, the neighborhood is an absolute treasure trove. From lavish restaurants to lively bars and beautiful parks, you'll have a world of opportunities to chill, relax, and bond with your loved ones. So whether you're craving a quick bite at Brunel Canteen or savoring an Italian feast at Bella Italia Uxbridge, your culinary desires are only a short walk away. Sounds incredible, right? Don't wait. Head over to amberstudent.com to secure your stay today and experience the city with the confidence of Cleveland Road UB8's exceptional standards.